Hello guys, my name is Rahul Singh. Again you are with me in the Catia class, Catia V5. This we are learning here. In this class we learn about, already we have learned about this multi-section, same profile, okay. But in this class we will learn about that if we have two profiles, okay, two kind of profiles. Like first already I have made, this is rectangle. Second I will make here, I'll select this plane, I'll make circle, so now we have two planes, okay. This is circle, this is square, okay. Now if I will put this command, multi-section command, okay, so now we have this and this, okay. In this case, if you will see, these closing points is not matching. See this closing point here and this closing point here, okay. So this closing point I can replace here, okay. In this case, if we'll do this, then it will show this current coupling mode cannot be applied, because if you see these things, see square is having 4 coupling, okay, 1 2 3 4, but circle is not having, okay. So what we need to do in this case, what we need to do, see, we need to take the points, okay, this point, I will take other point, four points I need to take. Okay, now I will select this, coupling ratio, then I will select the points, first I will select the curve, then this curve. Now see the closing point here, this is here, and in this case this is here, okay. So this I need to change from here to here, okay. Now you can see this is made, okay. So this is our circular profile and this is our square profile or rectangle, we can say, okay. So this is also very good method to combine these surfaces, okay. So thank you very much, and please subscribe the channel and please press bell icon also to keep updated with my videos. Thank you.